My name is Chris Button and I am role A.
My name is George Simons and I'm role B.
My name is Margina Surjan and I'm role C.
My name is Kieran Kuru and I'm role D. Okay, is everybody here? Thanks for coming to this meeting. Let's start now. Okay, the purpose of our meeting today is to discuss the launch of the new website, Hotels Online. Does everybody have a copy of the agenda?
Yep.
Yes.
Great. Let's move on to the first item of the agenda, the website design. Do you have any suggestions?
Yes, I suggest providing a destination search for some popular destinations, such as New York or Tokyo. One reason for this is to let people have a clearer idea of where it is that they're going.
You're right. A destination search can be combined with travel guides for some popular European and Asian cities. It could be a really good way for our users to research their holiday destination before going. Shall we also allow users to give comments and ratings on the website? It will enable other users to look at the feedback before they want to book a hotel. I think that's vital for our users.
I totally agree with you. I think we can add some pictures of top destinations and top trending hotels in the destination search because it is more attractive. For hotel comments, how about we allow registered members to leave their comments only? It is because we need to arrange log-on passwords for them. Besides, it can ensure that the comments are trustworthy.
That's a good idea. I also think that we should add recommended hotels of the day underneath the destination search. And by having our recommendations pop up, users might be more interested into looking into the hotels.
I propose developing a mobile app since it is convenient and it may increase the popularity of our brand. It should help users to get the information on the go.
I'm sorry, but that's not the way I see it. I think the mobile app needs a longer production time, so creating Facebook and Google fan page links instead would be more useful.
Okay, in that case, let's provide destination search then. Now, shall we move on to the next agenda item, business strategies? Okay, so for business strategies, I propose offering traveling tips for visitors because it's customer oriented and it's also user friendly. The tips could just pop up on the website.
I think you're right. I propose announcing the latest news, so it could be about floods, typhoons or earthquakes, and so on for popular tourist destinations. This will be a way of increasing the user's attention. What about if we also promote it across social media, Google and Facebook, since it's more effective, far-reaching and worldwide, and it's a way for us that we can manage quite easily.
That's a really good idea. Apart from Google and Facebook, I also propose that we can promote an airline website such as Cathay Pacific, Virgin, and so on to enhance the promotional impact. Since our users may take their flights, such arrangements should be mutually beneficial. We could also place advertisements in in-flight magazines to attract our target customers. If we place advertisements in the magazines, they would be able to learn more about our websites. What do you think?
I'm not so sure about that. Although travelers may read magazines, they might not turn on their mobile devices to browse our website. It is possible that they might forget our information afterwards. Therefore, instead of placing advertisements in the in-flight magazines, I think we should advertise on paid TV for 4 weeks because it can increase our popularity and attract more customers. I believe the target audience of paid TV is more broader than flight travelers. Perhaps we could invite travel experts and celebrities to provide travel reviews so as to boost the company profile and a sense of trustworthiness.
I'm afraid I don't think that will work. Inviting celebrities to offer travel reviews is far too costly. Instead, I suggest placing newspaper advertisements, since it's more cost effective. People still read newspapers and the cost is affordable to us.
Okay everyone, thank you for all the suggestions. Shall we each gather more information on our suggestions and share it in the next meeting? Let's move on to the last agenda item, launch time.
Okay, so I suggest we launch it in 3 months from now. This will give us ample time to prepare our updated website as well as the mobile phone app.
I'm sorry, but that's not the way I see it. I think launching it before July would be a better idea since there is more time to recruit IT professionals. We need them to help with buying servers and the website construction. Developing a website needs a number of procedures to check all of the functions, such as checking the interface of the same web page through different devices. Besides, we should need time to invite users from the general public to test the website before the official launch. So I think July should be a reasonable time for our work schedule.
I'm not so sure about that, as July is our peak season. I think launching it before May is better, as we can fine-tune the website after the launch, and it's also before summer, which will avoid our peak season. If we can get the work done by May, we can focus on summer promotion.
I'm sorry, but that's not the way I see it. There will not be sufficient manpower before May. Many staff who are involved in the website development are already engaged by other duties. They might not be able to meet very tight deadlines for the website. We could launch it before the end of June instead. Having one more week in the schedule should make our work easier.
Well, it looks like we've run out of time, so I guess we'll finish there. Just to summarise, we've discussed the website design, business strategies, and the launch time.
Great. I think we've covered everything we need to talk about today. Let's stop there then. Okay, so thank you everybody for coming.
Thank
No
you.
problem.